Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Perched above Quakers Hat Bay in Mosman, Bay House commands sweeping views over one of Sydney Harbour's most picturesque inlets. A complete interior reconfiguration by Batchelor Isherwood Interior Design has transformed the residence into a refined yet highly functional retreat, attuned to the evolving needs of a family of four. The client, a high-profile professional with a discerning eye for interiors, sought a design approach that balanced aesthetics with everyday practicality. Engaging the designer through word of mouth, the client envisioned a home that would not only reflect her personal sensibilities but also support the natural rhythms of family life. The design process evolved into a deeply collaborative effort, where considered spatial planning and curated material selections brought cohesion to the residence.